Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another Halloween video, as you can see from my face right now, and I've decided to do a vampire. Obviously it's really just red and black and a bit of fake blood which I've used. I've also used this ponytail extension which is from Hot Hair, which is the same brand I used in my Demon of the Night look with the red wig. This ponytail is also so soft, and I love that it has the purple through to the ends. It blends super well with my hair, and yeah, it's just really good, and I thought I would use it for a vampire look. I know they don't really have purple hair, but mine does. So if you want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. My finished vampire look. I think this look is super fun and I actually really like it, even though the eyelashes took me about 8 attempts to get on, so I still need a lot of practice with them. As I said, this look is so easy to do and I think it looks really effective, and it's quite obvious what you're trying to be as well. For the outfit, I just wear black all over. I will obviously link this hair extension and the necklaces if I can find something similar in the description box below with everything else that I normally use. So I hope you like this look. Please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I will see you soon with another. Bye!